Welcome everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. And here we are to begin chapter 8, that is Hanuman and I, which is written by Rupa Gupta. And this is a play. And what do you understand by play? Play is a work of drama, usually consisting mostly of dialogues between two characters and intended for theoretical performance. It's not just for reading, it's for performance. And I am sure that so many of you must be interested to take part in drama or play and be the center of attraction on the stage. So let's do the pre-reading task. Have you ever dreamt of performing on stage? I am sure you must have. Most of you must have dreamt of performing on stage, because on the stage you get the fame, popularity, the attention. So these are the desires which make you to be on the stage. If you are asked all of a sudden to perform in the annual day program, will you perform successfully and confidently? Will you be all of a sudden you are not prepared and you are being asked to take part in the performance? So will you be perform confident or and perform successfully, refuse to perform without practice, or perform nervously? Which one will you do? Think. People may have different opinion, that few are very confident while few will say, no, I want to do good, so before without practice we won't be doing the stage performance, while some will simply refuse and feel nervous about being on the stage. This is called stage fright. Let's read the story. This story, not this is play. Rupa, a small girl, has a strong desire to act on stage. She is very confident about herself. Luckily, she gets a chance to act on stage on the annual day. Does she perform well? Read the play and find out. Let's see how Rupa, a small girl, performs on the stage. These are the characters, and we of course will definitely stage it in our school play. You people will be taking up different characters. These are the characters. And dear students, when you are acting on the stage, you have to be careful that you have to face the audience. You have to be confident. You are not supposed to forget the dialogues. You should have a proper voice. You should have a proper intonation, ups and downs of the voices. It is all up to you that how you make your character interesting or more convincing, right? So let's move to the play. The scene. This is the scene one, where it is the scene of the classroom. Anu, these are the characters. This is the conversation between the dialogues between two characters, that is Anu and Rupa. Anu: do you know, Rupa, preparation have begun for our school annual day. Rupa: yes, junior section is going to enact the story of Rama. Anu is saying, Radhika would certainly get Sita's role. She's so pretty. Rupa: I wish I could get Rama's role. You are shorter than Radhika and have a shrill voice. Means बहुत तीखा आवाज है, बहुत pleasant. You don't have a pleasant voice, So you are shorter than Radhika and have a shrill voice. I don't think the teacher will give you Rama's role. I really want to act in the play. I am sure that once on stage I would give brilliant performance. बहुत अच्छा perform करूँगी. एक बार बस मुझे stage पर आने को मिले. Well, why don't you talk to the teacher? She might give you Lakshman's role. Since she was not suitable for Rama's role, so she may be getting Lakshman's role. So Anu is suggesting Rupa to request teacher for Lakshman's role. Oh really? How exciting it would be acting on the stage with a bow and arrow slung on my shoulders. Slung means slung bag. आजकल sling bag आता है ना, वही slung जो कंधे पर टांगे रहते हैं उसको slung कहते हैं. Arrow slung on my shoulders. How surprised my parents would be. I can almost hear my father saying, "We have such a talented daughter." The teacher enters the class. Now the conversation that is usually happens, most of the students stay involved in talking, and at the moment teacher come, you people stand and wish the teacher and welcome the teacher. All the students here, people means all the students. "Good morning, ma'am." Teacher wishes back as usually we do in the classroom, regular classroom. "Good morning, students. I have something exciting for you today. I'm going to assign," means कि सबको काम मिलने वाला है कुछ कुछ, "assign all of you certain roles in the play The Story of Rama. Suman, you will play the role of Rama. Radhika, you will be Sita." जैसा सोचा गया था, क्योंकि she is so pretty, she has got the role of Sita. "Alka, you will be Hanuman. Neha, you will enact Lakshman's part." Now see here, Lakshman part भी चला गया. Rupa has not got any role. Rupa to Anu, disappointment, निराश हो जाना. "I knew I wouldn't get any role." Teacher, and most of the time teacher know the mood of the students, so she's saying with a smile on her face to Rupa, "And Rupa, I have a role for you too. You will be one of the monkeys in the Vanar Sena." Now Rupa is pleading, "Can't I at least get the role of Hanuman, teacher?" "No, child, your voice is too squeaky." मतलब आवाज़ उसका अनप्लेजेंट है, जिसके कारण उसको कोई रोल मिलना मुश्किल हो रहा है. "Won't get even a single dialogue then?" "All you have to do with 7 other girls of the Vanar Sena is to jump up and down and shout, 'Jai Ram, Jai Hanuman.'" "Just that much?" "Yes, my child. You perform your role nicely. I'll give you the role of Hanuman next time." Now teacher has promised that next time she will be giving her the role of Hanuman, like some important role. Now this is scene 2. At the backstage on the annual day, everyone is busy dressing up. Enters चौकीदार. सब लोग तैयारी कर रहे हैं कि अब स्टेज पर प्रोग्राम शुरू होने वाला है. एंड इन द ग्रीन रूम ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स आर गेटिंग इनटू कॉस्ट्यूम्स. तो वहाँ सभी लोग बिजी हैं. चौकीदार आता है. "Teacher, someone asked me to deliver this letter to you." Hands over a piece of paper. एक छोटा सा पेपर टीचर को देता है. कौन देता है? चौकीदार. दिस इज वन ऑफ द कैरेक्टर. "Teacher, an application." रीडिंग अलाउड. अब वो एप्लीकेशन ज़ोर से पढ़ रही है, थोड़ा सा साउंड ज़्यादा है. "Dear madam, I am very sorry to inform you that Alka has contracted measles and has been running a high temperature since morning. Sorry, she will not be able to act in the play." She sits down in a chair. अब last moment में just imagine when the program is about to begin and the character, the main one of the main character is absent. What will happen to the person who is managing all the things? So here contracted means usko lag gaya, caught. The meaning is given here. "What? Alka will not come. What shall we do? How will we perform the story of Rama without Hanuman?" Looks around in dismay and her eyes fell on रूपा. एकदम डिस्मय मतलब निराश होकर के, डिसअपॉइंट होकर के, ग्लूमी चेहरे पर जो इमोशन होता है वो ला करके उसने उनकी नज़र किस पर पड़ी? रूपा की. अब रूपा वॉज सो मच इंटरेस्टेड, शी वांटेड टू गेट द डायलॉग, शी इवन रिक्वेस्टेड टू प्ले द रोल ऑफ हनुमान. तो अचानक से उनको लगा कि रूपा विल बी एबल टू परफॉर्म इट. "Rupa, you look here. You wanted to be Hanuman, didn't you? Do you think you can manage?" अब रूपा का तो लग रहा है कि मन मांगा मुराद मिल गया. रूपा पूरा एक्साइटेड हो जाती है, पूरा खुशी से. "मी स्पीकिंग टू हरसेल्फ, इज माई ड्रीम कमिंग ट्रू?" अब टीचर को तो काम एक स्टेज करवाना, अच्छी तरह से प्रोग्राम करवाना. "कैन यू मैनेज इट?" "ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन." "डू यू रिमेंबर द डायलॉग्स?" "No, but I can always think of something." Now see here, she is confident. She is assured She is sure that she will be doing something good on the stage. Oh no, you shall certainly not do any such thing. I shall be prompting from the wings. All you have to do is to repeat what I say, and for God's sake, don't mumble. Mumble means budbudana nahi, धीरे धीरे मत बोलना. Speak as loudly as you can. See the meaning of prompting, causing someone to do something or say something, and wings means the hidden side of the stage. Don't worry, teacher, I will speak loud enough. Now the play has just begun. On the stage, the curtain goes up and the teacher pushes Rupa onto the stage. She almost falls on her face. Drums are echoing. Echoing means पूरा आवाज हो रहा है, गूंज रहा है. And her hands and feet are cold. She opens her mouth to say the lines but can't remember. अब जितना वो the things she was thinking, Rupa was thinking, it was not like that. She was confident, but at the moment she was on the stage, she was about to go on the stage, she was being pushed towards the stage so that she can be there and deliver her dialogues. But there is no dialogues. She has forgotten everything. Now see what is happening on the stage. Now this is all happening on the stage. Rupa, my lord Rama, God Rama. Now teacher is prompting. Teacher से बोल रही है, अरे बोलो. My lord Rama, I am your servant. I would gladly die for you. Gladly मतलब खुशी से. Hearing the prompting, heaves a sigh of relief. मतलब एक चैन की सांस लेना. My lord, I am your servant. I would gladly die for you. अब थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है कि उसको हेल्प मिल रहा है. अब क्या है, रेगुलर वहाँ पर जो लोग हैं वो बोलते हैं यू हैव फॉरगॉटन टू पिन योर टेल. अब रूपा इज नॉट नोइंग वेदर द टीचर इज सेइंग और समवन एल्स इज सेइंग. वो अपना टेल लगाना, हनुमान थी तो हनुमान हैज़ अ टेल, बट शी वॉज इनएक्टिंग हनुमान, बट शी हैज़ फॉरगॉटन द टेल. तो कोई जो रेगुलर है वहाँ पर, जो स्टूडेंट्स, जो बाकी वानर सेना के लोग हैं, उसमें से किसी ने कहा कि अरे तुम तो अपना पूंछ लगाना ही भूल गई. अब रूपा इज सेइंग, repeating the same thing, since she has to be repeat the things which teacher will be saying. तो यहाँ पर वो समझी कि टीचर ही बोल रही है, तो उसने कहा repeating, you have forgotten to pin your tail. Rama, don't be silly, I am not supposed to have a tail, you have forgotten yours. Now see now this drama is gotten into something funny. अब यहाँ पर ये लोग डायलॉग्स नहीं बोल रहे हैं, आपस में बात करने लगे. डोंट बी सिली, आई एम नॉट सपोज टू हैव ए टेल. अब रामा का तो टेल होना नहीं है, तो राम ने कहा सारे बच्चे हैं तो दे आर नॉट अवेयर कि उतना सीरियसनेस नहीं है कि कैसे प्ले करना है. रूपा टचिंग द स्पॉट वेयर द टेल शुड हैव बीन. अब वो अपना पीछे टच करती है कि वह जहाँ पर टेल होना चाहिए. आई एम सॉरी माई लॉर्ड, आई मेंट माई टेल. I have forgotten to pin my tail. A roar of laughter from the audience is heard. Definitely हंसी तो आएगी क्योंकि ये it was quite funny thing, very funny. Teacher, now jump. Now she has to jump. She has to act. She has to jump at her place. But she repeated the dialogue. She repeated the thing what teacher said. So she said, now jump. Rama, you jump, stupid. Realizing her mistake, Rupa starts jumping like a mad person. Audience laughs and the curtain falls. The teacher scolds Rupa for messing up everything and tells her that she would cut short her role. Rupa apologizes. अब यहाँ पर बहुत टीचर गुस्सा तो होना ही है, वो तो पूरा गड़बड़ कर रही थी. तो scolds means गुस्सा होना, डांटना. Messing मतलब पूरा बर्बाद कर देना. And tells her that she would cut short her role. And Rupa apologizes. Means she is asking for forgiveness. माफ़ी मांग रही है. Now scene 4. The curtain rises. Sita and Hanuman are talking in Ashok Vatika. Sita, who are you? I am Lord Rama's mother. I am Lord Rama's servant, mother. I have come to help you. How can I trust you? This ring is Lord Rama's. He had asked me to give this to you. Oh yes, my Lord Rama's ring. She hides her face in her hands and begins to weep. Now Sita is doing her acting perfectly, and this has all gone well. जैसा सोचा था वैसा हो रहा है अब एक डांट खाने के बाद. नाउ सी हियर, टीचर प्रॉम्प्टिंग, पीछे से फिर बोल रही है, योर डायलॉग नाउ, स्पीक, माई ब्यूटी इज़ माई बेन. रूपा थिंकिंग दैट इट वॉज हर टर्न टू स्पीक रिपीट द डायलॉग्स. यहाँ पर सारे बच्चों का एक ही हाल है. ये सीता के लिए डायलॉग था कि माई ब्यूटी, उसको रोते हुए ये बोलना था माई ब्यूटी इज़ माई बेन, मतलब मेरी जो खूबसूरती है, मेरी जो सुंदरता है वही मेरे लिए अभिशाप है. बेन मीन्स अभिशाप. लेकिन वॉट रूपा थॉट कि टीचर उनके लिए बोल रही हैं, स्पीकिंग जेंटली, माई ब्यूटी इज़ माई बेन, इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ माई ब्यूटी दैट विकेड रामा वॉन्ट्स टू मैरी मी. अब रूपा ही सीता का डायलॉग बोल दी ना, दूसरे का डायलॉग बोले जा रही है. विकेड मीन्स शैतान. वॉट? स्टार्टलेट. स्टार्टलेट मीन्स चौंक जाना, मतलब सरप्राइज हो जाना. नॉट यू इडियट, ही वॉन्ट्स टू मैरी मी, आई एम सीता एंड आई एम ब्यूटिफुल. अब यहाँ पर भी एक दूसरा फनी सीन क्रिएट हो रहा है. सीइंग द स्टार्टलेट एक्सप्रेशन, रूपा रियलाइजेज हर मिस्टेक. अब जैसे ही उसने सीता को देखा, स्टार्टलेट एक्सप्रेशन मीन्स मतलब जो आंखें बड़ी करके अचानक से तुम अनएक्सपेक्टेड, इफ समथिंग अनएक्सपेक्टेड हैपेंस एंड यू हैव दैट लुक, दैट इज स्टार्टलेट एक्सप्रेशन. And Rupa realizes her mistake. Oh, I mean, your beauty is your bane. And now Ravan enters. And the chorus, all the people are saying, welcome Maharaja. Maharaja is coming. Ravana the Great is here. A huge figure with a shining sword in her hands enter. Ravan, who is this puny creature who dares to intrude in my kingdom? अब ये छोटा सा क्रिएचर कौन है जो हिम्मत कर रहा है? डेयर मीन्स हिम्मत करता है, इंट्रूड मीन्स बिना परमिशन के अंदर आने का. किसने हिम्मत किया है? टीचर. अब टीचर को तो लगातार, टीचर का तो पूरा परेशान है वो सारे लोगों को हैंडल करने में. तो टीचर आस्किंग, पीछे से बोल रही है, स्पीक, आई एम द सन ऑफ पवन देव, द विंड गॉड, द वर्शिपर ऑफ रामा, द इमॉर्टल हनुमान. रूपा स्टैंड्स डम एंड लुक्स अबव एट रावणा हु इज टॉवरिंग ओवर हर. अब इतने लंबे चौड़े रावण को देख करके रूपा मैडम की बात ही नहीं सुन पाई. उसको बोलना था, आई एम द सन ऑफ पवन देव, द विंड गॉड, द वर्शिपर ऑफ रामा, द इमॉर्टल हनुमान. इमॉर्टल मीन्स जो कभी नहीं मरता है. रावणा इन अ थंडरिंग वॉइस, मतलब खूब गरज के साथ जो बोला जाता है वो, हु इज दिस स्मॉल क्रिएचर, raises his shining sword to attack हनुमान. अब रूपा भूल जाती है कि शी इज एक्टिंग एंड रावण वोंट हर्ट हर. लेकिन उसको डर लग गया कि नहीं उसको अब वो हर्ट कर देगा. नो नो नो, आई एम नॉट हनुमान, डोंट किल मी. पुलिंग हर मास्क ऑफ, आई एम नॉट हनुमान, सी आई एम रूपा, नॉट अलका. द ऑडियंस रोल्स विद लाफ्टर एंड एन infuriated teacher comes on stage and drags Rupa off the stage. तब ये तो अजीब सिचुएशन हो गई और ऑब्वियसली ऑडियंस को बहुत हंसी आई एंड इन्फ्यूरिएटेड, मतलब बहुत गुस्से से टीचर स्टेज पर आती है और ड्रैग करती है, मतलब उसको खींचते हुए स्टेज से बाहर ले जाती है. सो दिस वॉज द प्ले एंड दिस वॉज इंटरेस्टिंग प्ले. let's read the complete the question answers. Hanuman and I by Rupa Gupta. Now question is, which role was assigned in the play, which role was Rupa assigned in the play, the story of Rama? Was it in accordance with her expectation? Rupa was assigned the role of Lord Hanuman as Alka got sick of measles. She contracted measles. You can write here contracted. She contracted measles. And was it according to her expectation? No, it wasn't according to her expectation. As she wished the role of Rama, instead she got the role of monkey in Vanar Sena. Now question 2, why was Rupa suddenly asked to play the role of Hanuman? Because Alka, the girl who was to play the role, got sick. Rupa was suddenly asked to play the role of Hanuman as Alka, who was to play the role of Hanuman, contracted measles and was unable to take part in play. The teacher didn't have any choice except to give away the role of Hanuman to Rupa. Now question 3. Rupa was sure that once on the stage she would give a brilliant performance. Do you think she really managed to give a good performance? Now say, dear students, that when the question is asked in the past tense, must write in past tense. Strong willingness to play an important role in play made Rupa quite a confident girl. She was quite sure of herself to give her best. But no, I don't think Rupa managed to give good performance, as she forgot the dialogues and became nervous. She messed up with the whole play by delivering others' dialogue and ultimately sounded funny, isn't it? Now read the extract. These kind of questions are very easy. If you have read the story, understood the story, you can easily answer such kind of question. Read the extract. Extract means some part from the whole play. From the play given below and answer the questions that follows. I wish I could get Rama's role. I don't think the teacher will give you Rama's role. Now identify the two speaker. The speaker of the first line is Rupa and the speaker of the second line is Anu. Why don't the speaker in line 1 gets Rama's role? Speaker in line 1 might not get the role of Rama because she was short and had a shrill voice. Now which role does teacher assign to the speaker? The speaker was to be assigned the role of Vanar in Vanar Sena, but later she got the role of Hanuman due to absence of Alka. Full stop. A sentence begins with capital letter and ends with full stop. You wanted to be Hanuman, didn't you? Do you think you can manage? Who is the speaker of this line and whom the speaker is talking about to? The speaker is teacher. The speaker is talking to Rupa to assign her the role of Hanuman. Why does she ask the listener to be Hanuman? She asks the listener. Now see, this question is in simple present, so it should be asks. Okay, it should be asked. She asks the listener to become Hanuman because Alka was absent and someone had to enact the role in her absence. So Rupa was the only option in front of the teacher. Is the listener able to manage the role properly? No, the listener is not able to manage the role properly, as she forgot the dialogues and created a total mess. Now HOTS, higher order thinking skill. How did the audience react when they saw Rupa's performance? Do you think that Rupa's performance achieved the purpose of the play? The audience could not stop laughing. They enjoyed the play a lot. The play was not up to the mark, but it entertained the audience. Rupa kept on doing all the foolish and funny things on the stage, forgetting her dialogues, saying things that were not written in the script. She also started speaking other people's dialogue, other character. Here we should write character, other characters' dialogue. That will be much better, okay? In place of people, write on characters. The play was not enacted as it was planned, but I think the purpose was achieved, as Rupa's performance undoubtedly entertained the audience a lot. Now life skill. Imagine life skill is the skill in which you learn how to lead a better life, how to convince people, how to be a better person. Now imagine yourself to be the teacher directing the play, the story of Rama. How will you tackle the situation knowing that Alka wouldn't be able to perform in play? If I was there in the place of the teacher, I would. Now this is, dear students, you can write your opinion, what you would do. I am just suggesting that what one can do, okay? So I would have requested the management to shuffle the program list to get extra time to make Rupa practice and learn the dialogues. थोड़ा सा program को last में कर दिया जाए ताकि थोड़ा सा time मिल जाए. I would have stood near to help her with her dialogues in case she forgets. वो तो teacher ने भी किया था लेकिन फिर भी गड़बड़ हो गया. Rupa after all was a small girl who was about to be on stage, so I would have been extra cautious to avoid any अनफोर्सिन हैपनिंग्स, अनफोर्सिन मतलब जो नहीं समझ में आ रहा उसको भी हैंडल करने के लिए आई विल बी एक्स्ट्रा कॉसेस. Now, one is often placed in embarrassing situation like the one in which Rupa found herself. How should one handle such situation? So, such embarrassing situation can be handled by presence of mind, of course. So, one can handle embarrassing situation by presence of mind and seeking apology for being unprepared, or one can simply overcome the situation by just making fun of it and laugh about it कि भाई हो गया, गलती हो गई, छोड़ो. Imagine yourself to be Rupa. Write a diary entry expressing your feeling on your stage performance as Rupa on the annual day function. So definitely Rupa को अच्छा तो नहीं लग रहा होगा इतना बर्बादी कर देने के बाद, इतना मेसी हो जाने के बाद, टीचर से डांट सुनने के बाद, तो उसे डेफिनेटली अच्छा नहीं होगा लग रहा होगा. तो शी इज़ राइटिंग द डायरी. It was a lovely evening and auditorium was filled with large number of students, teachers and parents. I was given a wonderful opportunity to perform the role of Hanuman, but alas, I messed up with the whole thing by forgetting the dialogues. I am feeling very bad for my teacher. She trusted me and I failed her. I will meet her tomorrow to seek apology. Apology means maafi mangna. I will assure her that it will never happen again. I will work hard to mend my mistakes. This stage show was a great learning experience for me. I will never forget the embarrassment it has caused to me and my teacher. At the same time, I am glad that I made people laugh at my silly and funny dialects. After all, my act entertained all the present audience. This is the positive attitude. So Rupa is a positive girl and confident girl, and she will definitely do better in days to come. So that's all for today, I guess. Thank you and bye. Bye bye.